Missing center caps make your vehicle look incomplete and honestly kind of ugly. You can have a clean set of wheels, good tires, the right stance. But when the center caps are missing, that's all people notice. And here's the worst part. Some center caps are almost impossible to find. Some are discontinued. Some are basically extinct. And some companies want over $100 per cap, if you can even find them. So you start thinking, why isn't there just one universal center cap that works? The problem is, every wheel is different. Different sizes, different clips, different snap-in styles, different bolt patterns. And most wheels were designed to use one very specific cap. That's exactly why missing center caps are such a headache.
Breaking news. Now available. A solution that works, no matter the wheel style. A universal center cap.
What if you could save your wheels without spending hundreds of dollars? Chasing hard-to-find center caps? Introducing the RO Universal Center Cap System. Unlike traditional center caps that rely on wheel-specific clips and mounting points, RO kits are vehicle-specific and secured directly to special lug nuts included in the kit, available for both 5-lug and 6-lug applications, with your choice of chrome or black finishes. These caps give your wheels a clean, finished look while covering exposed hubs and lug nuts. Built with reinforced construction for increased durability, RO center caps are designed to handle daily driving while maintaining their appearance. Installation is simple. Remove your existing lug nuts, install the included mounting hardware, attach the caps, and you're done. No searching for discontinued center caps. No paying outrageous prices for rare replacements. No driving around with wheels that look incomplete, whether your original caps are missing, damaged, discontinued, or impossible to find. The RO Universal Center Cap System can help bring your wheels back to life. Save a set of wheels, restore your vehicle's appearance, and finally put an end to the center cap hunt. RO Universal Center Caps, the universal solution you've been waiting for.